Every year on Diwali, several posts are made asking people to not burst crackers, but the message is barely well received. Since the attention span of an average human being has reduced to that of a goldfish, I'm going to try to cover this complicated topic in just 5 minutes. I'm going to give representation to different views in this video, all while trying to find a middle ground on this topic. So first, let's talk about crackers, the main culprit here. We all already know that firecrackers are infamous for causing air pollution. Besides that, firecrackers are also known to cause physical and psychological harm to animals. They cause extensive air and noise pollution in a very short span of time, releasing toxic gases which can trigger asthma and other respiratory ailments. Thanks to mental health awareness, we also know that firecrackers can trigger anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder and depression in a lot of psychological patients, which does establishes the fact that firecrackers are not only bad for environment, they're bad for animals and people who have mental health issues. But then why are people so obsessed with burning them? Just like the New Year's Eve, 4th of July, bonfire night, the eve of Diwali is yet another occasion where firecrackers are burnt in humongous amounts. People who burst these crackers have associated it with their religion. Some people will argue that firecrackers were indeed lit to celebrate Diwali in the traditional times, while others say it's not the case. Let's say even if they did, two things are really clear. They definitely didn't burst crackers in this way. And they could afford to. We literally cannot. But then, on the other side of the spectrum, the amount of selective activism and hypocrisy that you see around this time of year is insane. You will see social media activists, journalists, to celebrities, to politicians speaking against bursting crackers on Diwali, which is indeed a good thing. But then, either they only wake up on this particular festival of Diwali, or completely contradicting themselves throughout the year otherwise. For example, Priyanka Chopra did an ad in the year 2018 wherein she asked people not to burst crackers for all the good reasons, not to cause air pollution, asthmatic patients like her, and for animals of course.
Please मेरी सांस को बेरोक रखिए. दिवाली पे पटाखे skip कीजिए. Let Diwali be about lights and laddus and love and not pollution. Reduce the use of firecrackers so that you all, asthmatics like me and all the animals out there, everyone can enjoy the festival too.
But then on her wedding day, she does this. This is just one example out of many ads, tweets and posts that are made around this time of the year, which have less to do with activism and more to do with propaganda. This kind of selective activism and hypocrisy muds the name of genuine social activists who call out people to not burst crackers. The way people receive activism on particular festivals as compared to other festivals plays a role in building people's confidence as well. For example, on festivals like Eid, activists who advocate for animals to not be slaughtered were harassed. PETA was asked to take down the poster. Even the posts that I made on different occasions, such as the bonfire night or Eid, or if it is Thanksgiving, the amount of reach as compared to the Diwali post was really low, which made me feel as if, really? It's not as if people are not aware of these festivals or they don't know what happens. It's just that they choose not to speak up. So now finally coming towards the middle ground, I think first of all what we need to remind ourselves is, what is the problem? The problem here is about environment. It is about animals. It is about the ones who get affected by bursting crackers. And we need to keep that in mind. But instead, this whole issue becomes a proxy war for the right wing and for the left wing and other religions and political parties and whatnot, but the environment. The right-wing people try to burst crackers and advocate for crackers to assert their religious identity, and the left-wing people selectively target the festival. If all of us take individual responsibility for our actions, and not bursting crackers is just that one little bare minimum thing that you can do from your side to help the environment. Because just because there are other wrongs in the world doesn't mean it justifies the wrong that you do. The solution is to stop doing what you do first and then speak against other evils equally. Which brings us to the other side. Bursting crackers on any occasion is wrong, not just Diwali. Harming animals in any way is wrong, not just on Diwali or certain festivals. In conclusion, don't burst crackers on Diwali and speak against all forms of environmental and species harm equally.